What's up, people? I'm out in the garage. Figured I'd do a video on some of the things that I've done on the Impala over the winter time. Wasn't a whole lot, but figured I'd catch you guys up and let's take a look at what I did. Alright guys, so this is the finished installation of the shock relocation kit on the 65 Impala. Painted everything up, got everything mounted in, make sure I didn't have any clearance issues. Also, I installed this braided brake line that I got from a company named Inline tubes. You can find them on eBay. Actually, not too happy with them as of this point. The product is real nice. Here's one of the lines they sent me. It's a good product. The actual braided line is covered with plastic, like protective cover, and it's supposed to make it easier to clean these. Only problem I had is they sent me one 16-inch and one 15-inch, so it's been a week now. I'm trying to get this resolved, and I haven't got it resolved yet. So hopefully they get back with me, because all I can do right now is the driver's side, get that finished, and I'm waiting on the passenger side. Also, I recoated my frame with more of a high gloss black. End up using this Rust-Oleum protective enamel actually over the existing undercoating, which was like a dull finish. As you can see here, the control arm was painted with the Rust-Oleum, and then you can see how the older undercoat, because it's a duller finish, it just seems to attract a lot of dust and dirt. So I'm going to end up redoing the whole underbody there. I'll probably use a brush and get into the tight areas so I can redo the black that's on there. Along with doing this quarter panel and trying to square up all the body work, which I still got a little work to do. Also end up installing some racing seats. I'm gonna end up doing racing seats in the front and in the back. So I got those mounted up. I'll probably end up redoing the original Impala seats, but until I get that done, I'm gonna run with these racing seats. And I also ended up painting the dash. I two-toned the dash. See if I can get some light on this. I did a gray, which is going to be the color of the car, and then I did a red, candy apple red, and it's actually, I don't know if it's going to show up on the camera. If you look at it, it's got like a marble effect to it. On this side, I wanted to show you guys a little small detail. Instead of reinstalling the molding across the bottom here that the majority of 65 Impalas have, I ended up welding in the holes and smoothing that out. I think it looks a lot better. And then I have a billet bezel there for 3 gauges. Also start running all my wiring for my second battery, air suspension control, stereo, stuff like that. Another thing I did is I picked up this bolt-on hood scoop. Got it off Jegs, I think. I ended up drilling the holes for it to get it mounted up. I think it'll be a nice little add-on to the aggressive look for the Impala that I'm going for. Alright guys, so another thing I did, I swapped out my chrome rims for these black Boss rims. They're black with a polished lip. They're 8.5s in the front, 10s in the back. My original chrome rims were 8.5s all the way around. I didn't really like that. I like the idea of having a little bit wider rim on the back. So I think it needs to look better too with the charcoal metallic paint job. It'll kind of blend in a little bit better, so I'm glad I went with these. Thanks a lot, Keith. I owe you one. But yeah, so let me know what you guys think about the rims. If you guys like the chromes better or the black. I went ahead and got the quarter panel for the passenger side. That's going to be the next stage to the Impala project. I'm trying to get the front wheels on this so I can scoot the whole car over on these dollies and then get to work on the quarter panel for the passenger side. Alright guys, that's an update on the Impala project. Let me know what you guys, the kind of projects you guys got going on in your garage. Put that in the comments below. If you like this video, hit that like button. More content to come, so subscribe. And I'll talk to you guys later.